play a game of Guess the Animal. Listen carefully to the clues and see if you can guess what farmyard animal I'm going to visit. Okay, the first animal has 4 legs, a mane, a long tail. You can ride it, and it likes to eat hay and oats. What is it? It's a horse. It's 2 horses. This horse's name is Walt, like Walt Disney. Hello. Nay. Did you know that horses can sleep standing up or lying down? Kobe taught me that. Okay, the next animal is a bit like a horse, but it's got a shorter mane and a shorter tail. They're a bit more of a greyish colour, and they say, hee-hoo, hee-hoo. What do you think it is? See them. You can see that ear. Donkey. It's 2 donkeys. Hello. Hee-hoo, hee-hoo. Oh, off they go. Where are you going, donkeys? It's a lovely day. Do you think they're a little bit frightened? Maybe they just don't want to chat to me today. Okay, the next animal is a tricky one. It's got 4 legs, fluffy fur. It's a bit like a llama, but it's not as big as a llama. And it starts with an ah sound. Tricky. It's an alpaca. 3 alpacas. 1, 2, 3. Hello. Can you say hello to the boys and girls? Oh, he's listening, his ears are up. Oh, back down. What are you eating, alpaca? That one's sunbathing. What do you think their names are, boys and girls? You think of any good names for the alpacas? Hello. What a lovely day. Okay, that was a tricky one. I think you'll all get this one. So the next animal has a beak, 2 legs, 2 wings. It can swim and it can dive under the water. And it quacks. Have you got it? It's a duck. Can you see him? Oh, ducking under. Hello, little duck. 3 little ducks went swimming one day. I wonder where they're going. Now, there are usually sheep in the field behind me, but I don't know where they are. And I've had a little look for Tojo, the little tiny Shetland pony, and I can't find him today. So this is going to be the last animal. And I think you'll all get this one. So, what is the animal? This animal has 4 legs. People keep it as a pet. It can live in the house. They don't tend to like cats, and it barks. What is the animal? Dog! This is Sully. Hello, Sully. He's a lovely dog. And this is Ralphie. Now he's a little bit of a naughty dog. Where are you going in the car, Ralphie? Oh, thank you for playing, boys and girls. I hope you enjoyed, and I will speak to you all later.